Hi everyone. So today I decided that I needed to speak about this shipment company that I've been using to bring down my things that I may order from overseas suppliers. The name of the company is Island Wide Express. I have used several shipping companies in my lifetime in Jamaica. I must say that they stand out. Island Wide Express stand out to me in that they are very, very efficient. Very efficient. Sometimes my items are being held back not because of them, but because of me and my tardiness in terms of preparing or creating my shipment alert. But nonetheless, they are very good. They are very good. They have this door-to-door delivery service as well that is available in many parishes. That it's not available in Manchester, but whether it's available or not, I can tell you they get your item to you safely and securely. And the biggest plus for me with Island Wide Express is the fact that they are competitive in terms of price, way more affordable than other companies that I have used. I find them to, I think they have a very good mechanism as it relates to their pricing. So even before I get an item, I can have an idea of what it's gonna cost because you can go on their website and use their calculator, or you can just look at their rates and determine what the cost of the item should be, in terms of your estimate and, perhaps knowing the weight of the item. So, very good company. I think they are very efficient and they're just one of those companies that I think they're doing it for more than just the money. I think that they're doing it. They see a gap and they're trying to fill it as best as possible. So yeah, Island Wide Express. I really appreciate you guys. All right, bye.